Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by assembling prerequisites you already can get quickly: 3 rocket cells, a pressure canister, and 2 metal plates. Once done, go to the workshop you unlocked from the Ice Cavern side quest. That location matters because the bench provides the needed blueprint. Make sure you have 50 coins on hand and the Tier 2 crafting bench active. These let you begin crafting immediately. Don't stop to explore. Place components into the bench. Select Jetpack schematic and confirm crafting to begin the build. Next, you assemble the Jetpack core step by step while you monitor stability. First, install rocket cells into the core slot in the order left, right, center. This balances thrust vectors. Then wire the pressure canister to the fuel intake using the red connector. That ensures a sealed path for fuel. Calibrate the fuel regulator to 0. 5 flow. This prevents overpressure. Once calibrated, do a short test fire at low thrust to verify no leaks and confirm ventilation fans spin. Now complete final assembly and prepare for first full use. Attach the harness, check shoulder clamps for a secure fit, and confirm safety straps engage. You should run a 15-second hover check at 25% throttle to confirm balance and control responsiveness, then gradually increase thrust. If you encounter engine stutter or pressure spikes, stop immediately. The key troubleshooting tip: inspect seals, wiring, and the regulator for damage. Replace any frayed wires or cracked seals, then repeat the low-thrust hover test before launching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.